Just what is a space elevator? A space elevator would be able to transport material into space by the use of a cable and a climber. The climber, along with valuable cargo, would ascend by mechanical means into space. The cable would be held up by the competing forces of gravity. While the gravity of Earth would keep the cable anchored, the counterweight would keep the cable suspended by having greater outward and upward centrifugal force. The space elevator was imagined by Konstantin Tsiolkovsky all the way back in 1895. Tsiolkovsky drew inspiration from the Eiffel Tower and pictured a tower, built from the ground up, that could stretch up into space. While Tsiolkovsky's image proved unrealistic, in 1959, Yuri and Arsenov proved it possible. Arsenov imagined a counterweight that would keep the space cable in the same area of Earth by lowering the cable from the counterweight. In 1966, 4 American engineers reinvented the concept once again and decided that there was no material strong enough to make a space elevator a reality. Until the development of carbon nanotubes in 1990, this view on elevators persisted. Bradley C. Edwards suggested making a 100,000 kilometer long, paper-thin ribbon using a carbon nanotube. Edwards' work was selected by NASA to cover most of the design of a space elevator. How would a space elevator affect us? A space elevator would permanently keep Earth connected to space. The price of sending material into space would be greatly reduced, from $10,000 to $20,000 a pound to $400 a pound. This is partly because the amount of fuel needed to launch an object into orbit would be far less than with rockets. A space elevator might be able to deploy satellites and possibly provide Earth with clean, reliable power. Once a space elevator gets created, it would replace the world's current space vehicle, the space shuttle. The space elevator would also make space tourism a more tangible reality. With a reduced price in space transportation, people will finally be able to go into space for an affordable price. Possibility of a space elevator? Right now, Tokyo is working hard on putting a space elevator into space. The Obayashi Corporation hopes to make a space elevator a reality by 2050. Further down the road, space elevators might even be put onto Mars and other planets colonized by humanity.